Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be working homework 1, problem 10, and I'll be working a sample. It says the Newton's law of universal gravitation is, and lists the equation that you see there, where m, capital M and lowercase m are both masses, r is a distance. The dimension of force is specified by the equation F equals ma, and it wants to know what the SI units are of G. All right, so this is kind of complicated just in terms of the question. It may be hard for you to make your way through. What we're really doing is we're trying to find the units for G, okay? And we're going to find that by solving for G and then putting units in for everything else and seeing what we have left. All right, so first thing, let's substitute in m times a for force. And so we have G times capital M times lowercase m times r squared. Now what we're going to do is let's get G by itself. In order to do that, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of this. So let's multiply both sides by r squared over capital M and lowercase m. So that will eliminate both of those and leave us with just G, and then that will leave m times a times r squared divided by m times m, capital M times lowercase m. All right, and that is all equal to G. All right, what we do at this point is we see that, well, first of all, we look and see that this m and this m can divide away because they are both masses. So that's going to leave us with a times r squared divided by m equals G. Now, the A is equal to, so now let's put units in. Now we have this as simplified as we can get it. Let's put units in and see what we're left with. So as I substitute for units, let's move to a different color here. So units for A is meters per second squared, and that's going to be times, now r was a distance, so that's going to be meters times meters, or meters squared, all divided by, this m is mass, so that's going to turn to kilograms. So now we just need to simplify this. Meters times meters squared is going to be meters cubed per second squared per kilogram. And I believe that that is, let's see, meters cubed per second squared per kilogram is one of our choices. And so that is going to be our solution. All right, I hope that was helpful, and good luck.